here think they could leave here with a finished song today?
Ooh, it's very pessimistic group here.
Challenge accepted.
Challenge accepted. Okay.
All right, so you're gonna leave with a song, but you're also gonna learn how to use that song to channel emotions, right? Someone talked about depressing music, and people don't know it has a lot of healing power to listen to those type of songs. So I'm actually glad you brought that up. So we're gonna do all of that, but first, since it's a hip hop songwriting, we're gonna do a quick icebreaker.
Real quick, Bert. Over the last 6 months, has anybody in here felt some form of stress, anxiety, depression, anything of that nature over the last 6 months? Okay, so we're gonna use hip-hop songwriting as a healthy outlet to deal with those feelings, to deal with those emotions. So you guys are gonna learn a new skill today. Not only to write songs like your favorite pop artists or your favorite rappers, you're actually gonna learn, hey, I'm not feeling so great today, right? I actually have a healthy way to deal with this because we know there's a lot of unhealthy ways to deal with those types of emotions, right or wrong? All right.
And I love that you said that because one of the things you guys are all gonna walk away with is if you can't name your emotion, you can't change your emotion.
Ooh, say that again.
I'm gonna say that one more time. If you can't name your emotion, you can't what? Change your emotion.
I like this a lot.
Okay, we go. Music or no music?
No music. Cool. First off, everybody, welcome to my lair. They say, God damn, a man is in a chair. I feel at home when I'm on stage, and it's always over too quick. Gotta turn the page. There's always a moment at the end where everything is quiet. For those few seconds, I can believe that I'm meant. So as soon as I see it, I can't read that. As soon as I see it fall that curtain, wherever there's a stage, best believe that I'll be lurking. Ooh. Sometimes I can't think about what to write about, but then I remember how much as a child I wasn't allowed.
Love it.
Fire.
I had it in my, I was like.
What made you think that I would always stay? I said some things that I should never say. Trust, loyalty, unity, and love. These are all things I could never give into. Hate, anger, lust, so foolish, judged by sin. You choose someone easy, yet you gave in. Where was I? What was I doing? While I was working on me, you let someone do more than work on you. I hated it, never knew the joker. You were the one who croaked on the web of lies. We both caused pain in the end, nothing to be lost. For one could never hate someone they never met. I love you so, I even put you on a pedestal. Well, all you've all me.
Whoa.
I'm gonna just say I've been there before, man. I felt that.
I felt that. Felt that in my soul.
All right, here we go. Fire in my eyes from the pain of all the goodbyes. You had my back since the trap, shifting, dripping, gas brake dipping. Waking up to news that you weren't here brought back many more fears. I wonder how your son will remember you. Will it be my demise if your son doesn't rise? Or is it my pride that's covering up all the lies?
So I wake up in the morning looking sad. I saw my aunt crying. Don't even have to question anything about it. I start crying, asking and blaming myself why I couldn't be able to help when I had a chance to. So I ran outside straight to the soccer field just to calm down my heart breaking. Because of the news that I received in the early morning of the passing of my loved one. Yeah, may he rest in peace. Thank you.
Really love that, man. I think that's a beautiful tribute right there also. Thank you for sharing that. Thank you for being vulnerable like that. Thank you.
Vinny is that soccer player.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Well, I'm not a rapper, but that's
Hey, none
okay.
of us are.
Okay. Ignore my whole life. I kept looking for the light. I had to choose from fight or flight. I need a serious sight to help me find the future. I didn't need the trauma. I didn't need to be stronger. I've seen enough wars. Let me see the stars. Yeah. There you go.
Why am I banging my head on the wall? Tired of angry words of ignorance and denial. My teeth clench. How do I help people stretch? What if we could sing together and lift each other up? Then we could relax and fly, relax and fly, relax and fly, lifting each other up. Who am I, after all? Can I help? Or am I just a know-it-all? I want to try, don't want to give up again with a sigh. What if we could sing together and lift each other up? Then we could relax and fly, relax and fly, relax and fly, lifting each other up. Moving forward, not looking back, not hiding at the end of the cul-de-sac. Time to join as one and make things better. Don't leave it undone. What if we could sing together and lift each other up? Then we could relax and fly, relax and fly, relax and fly, lifting each other up.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
I love you had a chorus and everything too. It's gonna be caught in my head on the way home now.
Look, how many cats you know, holes in their school clothes, not an outfit, more colors than a deck of Uno. I didn't wrestle weight like sumo. You probably think my childhood was straight like Juno. Bipolar diagnosis. They said I lacked focus. At my most low moment, wrote a rap opus. All I needed was a hug. I was that hopeless. Girl said she couldn't read me like bad posters. When things start to seem bad, I remember Binghamton sleeping on that beanbag. Self-hate to self-love. Te amo, Haitian immigrant, gringo, Americano. You saw something wrong, I wish you said some. We don't discuss mental health where I stem from. This win is a personal one. For my parents with love, your unreturnable son, I love you.
Let's go, make some noise.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Man, it's something about the energy. When everybody in the room feels the chemistry. Eyes closed, I just hope you see my imagery. Better me, negativity is my enemy. Look, Derek put the plan together. This came out amazing. Shout out to the camera woman. Her name is Michaela. Vision in her eyes, my missions to the sky. Sometimes I doubt myself, yet I'm dope. My name is Sai. But progress takes time. Each day I grow a little bit. Sometimes I fall short. I'm a hypocrite. Sometimes I'm well aware, read the room like I'm literate. Sometimes I mask my feelings, hide behind them like Elizabeth. I ain't always emo, got the swag of a backpacker. Coolest in the room like I'm Tyler with the hat backwards. I feel grateful to this circle just for hearing me. Just met you guys and already feel like it's family. Speaking of family, gotta say I miss them. Makes me think of Benny, his family's long distance. Shout out to the Congo. My hair's really blonde though. Sometimes I let my mind flow. That's just how the song go. Don't gotta be a songwriting expert, not a requirement or a prerequisite. This microphone, I'm retiring. Dawn's riding off into the wind, new environment. Kick her feet up, enjoy the views from Hawaiian trips. My name's Det. Shout to Bert G. Songwriting is the cure for stress and anxiety. I'm naming emotions that been hiding inside of me. Release it. Now I can be everything I'ma be.
Ooh.
Right, all right. Thank you, guys.
Get that man. Let's just be real. Like, how did that feel? First of all, round of applause to all of you guys. Round of applause because everyone participated, everybody shared, everybody was vulnerable, but everybody made everybody else feel safe. Did y'all feel that? Yeah. Y'all felt, but did you guys see what's possible when we agree on how to make each other feel safe? Like, you knew when you came in a circle, people were gonna show love. Did you feel like that allowed you to kind of open up? Mm-hmm. Yeah? So I'd love to hear from y'all. How did it feel to actually write your own song? When we first came in here, we were like, who thinks they got to write their own song? Nobody raised their hand.
Nobody.
Everyone got their own song. How did that feel? Someone just kind of shouted out. Feels amazing?
Feels good.
I mean, what I read was kind of personal, but like knowing that I can able to speak that out loud and have that reassurance really felt great.
Awesome. Anybody else surprise themselves, like in terms of like just being able to write a song or what they were able to share? Anybody want to speak to that? How did you surprise yourself?
Well, just being able to just flow, and then also just have the confidence with everyone in this room, even though it's not about like the quantity of people who showed up, it's about the quality of like us putting our best efforts forward, and also everyone just coming together in this group. I think that creates community, and we're all learning from each other through this space, through this type of workshop at the same time too.
Definitely.
Absolutely. Yes. And so you said you surprised yourself. Can you tell us?
Right. I came intending to be a spectator. I wasn't expecting to get involved, but you all were so welcoming and so positive. It's like, okay, I got to try. And it turned out okay. So thank you so
More than
much.
okay.
Shout
Yeah.
out to
Yeah, that was
Dean
amazing.
Dawn. We
That could be
appreciate
published.
you.
That was really good. That could be published. That was really good.
Just last question. How did it feel to just get that out? To release those type of emotions? How did it feel? Stress relieving?
Honest to
Okay.
God.
What else? How did it feel for you guys? Just shout it out. Weird a little bit? Weird. That's honest. That's honest.
Because we don't normalize that sometimes, so that's okay to feel weird about
Tyler, talk to me. How did it feel for you just to get that emotion out?
It feels good, man. You know, sometimes you get to writing and you throw something down that you didn't even think about, you know what I
Right.
mean? Until you get going.
I love that too. Sometimes there's things inside that you didn't even think about until you sat down and were intentional about it. Anybody else? This is amazing.
Yeah, man. This was great. Thank you so much.
Tyler?
Guys,
You have something?
Can I throw one more thing?
Yeah, please.
I'm a music student. I don't know if I told you
Okay.
that or not. But, you know, one of the first things that people tell me when I say that is, oh, God, I suck at singing, you know? And I'm always like, that's not always the point, you know? And I think that's, like, kind of the energy you guys can bring to people. Like, you know, everybody's like, I'm not going to write a song. There's no way, I stink. And it's like, you did it. You know, you can do it. And whether it's good or not isn't always the point, you know?
What do you think the actual point is?
Just being able to, I mean, like what he said, he threw something personal out there. And whether it ever goes platinum or not doesn't matter. You know, that could be huge for someone, just to throw something down and feel it.
throw something down, feel it. Yeah.
Thank you, Tyler.
Did you guys feel like you learned something today? Did you feel like you got something valuable? Make some noise if you agree with that. Did you feel like this was a fun way to learn about songwriting, like as opposed to a lecture? Yeah. Can we give some flowers to Derek for organizing this?